What's up guys, Will here, HUAWEI Tech, and foldable smartphones are back in the market and we already have a new one just a couple months into 2022 alone. And we are talking about the HUAWEI P50 Pocket, the company's first foldable smartphone with a clamshell design. It's a pretty powerful device packed with new features but can be easily placed in your pocket. But what tech inside the P50 Pocket makes it so special? Let's find out in this video. Taking a closer look at the HUAWEI P50 Pocket, it boasts a combination of aluminum and glass materials which feels solid and premium in the hands at 190 grams. It is hefty and robust at the same time. As mentioned, the back panel has a glass finish with a jagged texture which we like from an ergonomic design standpoint, as it helps you to have more grip on the device. As we are already talking about the back panel, we can find here the triple cameras and the circular cover display to help you access information at a glance without having to unfold the whole device. And more importantly, taking high-resolution selfies using the primary camera. Overall, the design of the HUAWEI P50 Pocket is very elegant and beautiful. The back panel may look like a little feminine, especially on the premium edition, but honestly, I didn't find it awkward when used it publicly. I mean, come on, it's a foldable. Moving over to the main display, we have a 6.9-inch FHD Plus 2K OLED panel with a resolution of 2790 by 1188, giving us a pixel density of 442 ppi. The display sports a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.07 billion colors, making it ideal for multimedia consumption. Although it has a tall form factor, watching contents on this device is just immersive thanks to its 21:9 aspect ratio. This means that you can enjoy a full screen viewing experience with less of that distracting black border. In addition, the screen also produces punchy colors with deep blacks, can go up to 450 nits of brightness, and is equipped with anti-reflective coating to reduce reflection when used in broad daylight. The HUAWEI P50 Pocket also sports a 120Hz refresh rate, taking the viewing experience to a higher level of quality as scrolling and just navigating the UI seems buttery smooth. To those who like playing games and demand a very responsive screen, will be glad to know that it has a 300Hz touch sampling rate. One of the HUAWEI P50 Pocket's features that probably most of us wouldn't notice, but it is an important feature for the user's health, is the PWM or pulse width modulation, which reduces flickering, which in return reduces eye strain and headaches if you use your device for long periods of time. A folding smartphone won't be possible without a hinge. In the case of the HUAWEI P50 Pocket, it boasts a multi-dimensional reinforced hinge, built with zirconium-based liquid metal combined with an ultra-high strength steel. The hinge on the HUAWEI P50 Pocket is robust and is much more durable than its competitor in the folding segment. When closed, the part of the screen where the hinge resides forms a water drop cavity shape adopted by HUAWEI. It may be the ultimate shape sought by vendors for inwardly foldable smartphones. With this, the HUAWEI P50 Pocket is cleanly folded, meaning no gaps, making it better and protected from debris and unwanted foreign objects from entering the display that may potentially damage it in the long run. As mentioned earlier, the display forms a water drop cavity and also reduces crease in the middle portion of the display as compared to what others have. The crease almost looks invisible as the middle portion of the display where the hinge resides feels smoother and less bumpy. A practical and aesthetically pleasing attack on the design segment, making the HUAWEI P50 Pocket a much more refined foldable as compared to others like say the Galaxy Z Flip 3. In addition, it also comes with a multi-dimensional lifting design which allows the HUAWEI P50 Pocket to be unfolded much more easily even with just one hand. Now when it comes to dimensions, the HUAWEI P50 Pocket when unfolded, it only measures 15.2mm, and when unfolded, the device has a thickness of 7.2mm, giving you a more ergonomic and much more pocketable experience. Overall, the display can produce excellent images and provides you with an immersive viewing experience when watching multimedia contents. Yes, the crease is there, but in our time with the HUAWEI P50 Pocket, We didn't find the crease to be obstructing our review when watching contents, which is great. Moving over to the cameras, we enjoyed our time taking amazing photos and videos using its triple camera consisting of a 40 megapixel primary, 30 megapixel ultra wide, and a 32 megapixel ultra spectrum camera. As for selfies, we have a 10.7 megapixel front camera. Again, we like how punchy the colors and HDR work on the scene, although there are a noticeable amount of post-processing when you take an image, but thankfully it wasn't overly done. For videos, you can take up to 40K at 30 frames per second. We also love how OIS works with EIS to produce stabilized video. As for performance, powering the HUAWEI P50 Pocket is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G chipset coupled with an Adreno 660 GPU. We have tested its capabilities in our full review, and one thing is for sure: the performance will not disappoint you. From basic multitasking to playing graphically intensive games at maximum settings, the HUAWEI P50 Pocket can handle it pretty well. Given its amazing cameras, beautiful 2K display, and a buttery smooth performance, potential buyers might hinder from going with the HUAWEI P50 Pocket because it lacks Google Play services. But to be frank, we have been using this device for quite a while now as our daily driver, and Huawei services works just fine and even better if you are in Huawei ecosystem. All the assets we get used to were all available in Huawei App Gallery. Pedal search also comes in handy as well as Huawei Share. But if you really want Google Play services, then there's always an easy workaround. But overall, the HUAWEI P50 Pocket definitely doesn't feel less of a smartphone just because it doesn't have Google in it. Now when it comes to its battery, it has 4000 mAh capacity with 40 watt fast charging, which can juice up the HUAWEI P50 Pocket from 0 to 100 in just a little over 40 minutes. In addition, the battery can surprisingly last for a day for casual use. If you're interested in getting one, the HUAWEI P50 Pocket is priced at 69,899 pesos for the 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gigs of storage, and 86,899 pesos for the premium edition, which has 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. So that's it, guys. What do you guys think about the HUAWEI P50 Pocket? Are you interested in getting this new foldable from Huawei? Well, do let us know in the comment section below. Now, if you find this video interesting, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so to miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit youtube.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.